pig. These are the shapes you'll need. Dark pink is made by mixing 2 parts of white with 1 part of red. Light pink is made by mixing 6 parts of white with 1 part of red. Press the light pink balls, and with the stick, cut a line down the middle. Press one end until it is thinner. Repeat with the other ball. Roll the clay between the palms of your hands to make a ball. And put the ears on the dark pink ball. Attach the other light pink ball as a snout. With the stick, make 2 nostrils. Add the tiny black balls as eyes. Attach the 4 balls as feet. Curl the small light pink cylinder by wrapping it around the stick tool. Attach it as a tail. Screw the screw eye pin into the body. Bake at 265 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And that's it!